Anyone living with diabetes knows it's important to keep your blood sugar balanced, but that advice can actually benefit all of us. So in today's Healthy Eats, we talk to an expert who shares her advice for managing blood sugar. Joining me is registered dietitian nutritionist Mary Ellen Phipps. Now, Mary Ellen, I think we start by talking about how does blood sugar work in the body?
Blood sugar plays a critical role in the energy levels we have, the stamina we have, and how we feel day to day. Our blood sugar levels are critical to our ability to function each day.
So it's really important for people that don't have diabetes to watch blood sugars as well. Why is that?
Blood sugar is a critical number to pay attention to for all people, whether you have diabetes or not. People without diabetes need to make sure they're eating a balanced diet because they need to make sure they have steady energy levels and that their body is able to respond and bring those blood sugar levels back up and down when needed.
Why is eating the right things important to helping us maintain good blood sugar levels?
We want to make sure that we have a steady supply of sugar or glucose in the bloodstream. And the way we do that is we make sure we're eating a rounded and balanced diet that has my three favorite nutrients: fat, fiber, and protein. If you eat sugar by itself, that's actually the easiest thing for your body to digest. And it raises blood sugar levels really quickly and then it comes back down, assuming you don't have diabetes. If you do have diabetes, you take your medication or insulin to bring it back down. So the way we get a more evened out hill, if you will, rather than a spike, is we introduce things that take longer for our body to digest. So those are the fat, the fiber, and the protein. And what that also means is you have a more steady supply of energy. The food stays in your stomach longer, so you stay satisfied with what you've eaten for longer.
So one of the best ways to learn and implement a nutritional change is to see an example. So today you're going to show us how to make something. What is it?
Low sugar chocolate chip cookie dough bites. One of my little healthy tricks in the kitchen that I always show people. You can make a pretty mean cookie dough out of chickpeas and oats. First, we're going to add our dry ingredients, kind of our base. So we're going to start with some almond flour. And then we're going to use oats. You can actually use any kind of oats you want. And then we're going to add in a little bit of sea salt and some cinnamon. We're going to process them for maybe 30 seconds to get a nice fine powder. So next we're going to add our star ingredient, which is our chickpeas. Flavor it and sweeten it up. We've got maple syrup and we've got a little vanilla extract. And you're going to let this next batch blend for probably about a minute and a half.
I love those chickpeas being the secret ingredient. So now we're going to add in the chocolate chips?
Yes. Now the last step is to take your dough out of the bowl and we're going to mix in those chocolate chips. Scoop them out. And you have your low sugar chocolate chip cookie dough bites.
Love the secret ingredients you put in there. So I guess managing your blood sugar starts with eating healthy and a good diet. And it's also something for all of us to remember to live a healthy life.
Paying attention to the food you're eating and eating balanced meals is critical for maintaining those energy levels and really enjoying the food we eat. And let's face it, if we can enjoy the food we eat and stay healthy at the same time, that's the best of both worlds.
Great information, Mary Ellen. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
We want to hear from you. How do you manage your blood sugar? You can always find us on Facebook. Just search Living Healthy Chicago. So if you like this video and want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel.